The Nathan James Bailey Boucle and Rattan bar stool is a sophisticated seating solution that blends organic textures with modern design elements. It features a striking contrast between its crisp white boucle upholstered seat and a sturdy black oak frame, creating a visual balance that fits seamlessly into contemporary or coastal-inspired interiors. The curved backrest is meticulously crafted from natural woven rattan, providing breathable support while adding a touch of timeless craftsmanship to your kitchen island or home bar area. Designed specifically for counter-height surfaces, the Nathan James Bailey Boucle and Rattan bar stool prioritizes both aesthetics and functional comfort. The plush boucle fabric offers a soft, inviting texture that elevates the daily dining experience, while the integrated footrest ensures ergonomic stability for extended periods of sitting. Its minimalist silhouette is supported by high-quality materials that ensure durability, making it a reliable piece for high-traffic areas where style and substance are equally important. Incorporating the Nathan James Bailey Boucle and Rattan bar stool into your home decor allows for a versatile styling approach that complements various color palettes. The combination of the natural rattan weave and the dark wood finish provides a sophisticated focal point that bridges the gap between mid-century modern and bohemian styles. With its easy-to-clean materials and thoughtful proportions, this stool serves as a practical yet elegant addition to any modern kitchen layout or entertaining space. Pros: high-end designer look, impressive build quality, beautiful mixed materials, sturdy and stable feel, simple and quick assembly, modern arched design, comfortable well-cushioned seats, great value for price, fits various interior styles, toddler-resistant durability, ideal size and weight, smooth swiveling mechanism, easy-to-follow instructions, perfect for kitchen islands. Cons: wood has a gray tinted tone, fabric might not wear well, fabric quality could be better, weave arrived slightly torn, missing items in some orders, high price for average quality, brand quality can be instant features. Boucle upholstered seat, natural rattan woven back, black oak wood finish, counter height design, modern kitchen island style. The Nathan James Bailey Boucle and Rattan bar stool is a sophisticated seating solution that blends organic textures with modern design elements. It features a striking contrast between its crisp white boucle upholstered seat and a sturdy black oak frame, creating a visual balance that fits seamlessly into contemporary or coastal-inspired interiors. The curved backrest is meticulously crafted from natural woven rattan, providing breathable support while adding a touch of timeless craftsmanship to your kitchen island or home bar area. The Nathan James Bailey Boucle upholstered rattan bar stool offers a high-end designer look with its modern arched design and beautiful mixed materials, providing a sturdy and comfortable seating option that is both easy to assemble and perfect for kitchen islands. While many users appreciate its impressive build quality, smooth swivel mechanism, and toddler-resistant durability, others have noted potential drawbacks such as inconsistent brand quality, wood with an unexpected gray tinted tone, and concerns regarding the long-term wear and overall quality of the fabric. Despite some reports of missing parts or minor damage upon arrival, the stools are often cited as a great value for their style, though some customers feel the price is high for what they perceive as average material quality.